Effective communication is essential for success in both personal and professional spheres. To ensure messages are delivered and understood as intended, communicators should adhere to the principles known as the 5 C's of communication, which are clear, concise, correct, complete, and courteous. This lecture will explore each of these principles in detail, providing insights into their importance and practical applications with real-life examples. The 5 C's of communication are foundational principles that enhance the clarity, effectiveness, and efficiency of communication. By focusing on these 5 aspects, communicators can improve their ability to convey messages accurately and foster positive interactions. Let's discuss the importance of the 5 C's. Enhanced understanding. This ensures that the message is easily understood by the recipient. Efficiency. This saves time by delivering messages succinctly. Professionalism. This reflects a high standard of communication. Relationship building. This promotes respectful and constructive interactions. Clarity in communication means that the message is easy to understand and free from ambiguity. Let's discuss the key elements of clear communication. Simple language. Use straightforward words and phrases. Specificity. Avoid vague terms, be specific about the details. Organized structure. Present information in a logical sequence. Let's discuss a practical example. Jane, a project manager at XYZ Corporation, sent an email saying, "Our meeting is scheduled for Tuesday at 10 a.m. in conference room B. Please bring the Q1 sales report." Instead of saying, "We'll meet soon to discuss the sales report," Jane provided clear details on the meeting time, place, and what to bring. Techniques that can be using bullet points, headings, and subheadings to organize information clearly. Let's discuss its benefits. Reduces misunderstandings. Clear communication minimizes the risk of misinterpretation. Improves efficiency. Clear messages are quicker to understand and act upon. Concise communication involves expressing ideas in a brief and to the point manner without unnecessary words. Let's discuss the key elements of concise communication. Brevity. Keep messages short and relevant. Avoid redundancy. Eliminate repetitive information. Focus content. Stick to the main points without diverging into tangents. Let's discuss a practical example of concise communication. Mark, a senior engineer at ABC Tech, wrote in a project update, "The software patch is ready for testing," instead of saying, "I am writing this to inform you that the software patch we discussed in our last meeting is now complete and ready to be tested." Mark kept his message concise. Technique is using bullet points for lists and avoid filler words like "actually," "basically," and "in order to." This technique saves time as shorter messages are quicker to read and understand, and enhances impact as concise messages are often more powerful and memorable. Correct communication ensures that the information conveyed is accurate and free from errors. Key elements of correct communication are accurate information. This is where one verifies facts before sharing. Proper grammar and spelling is all about using correct grammar, spelling, and punctuation. Using appropriate language. This is about choosing words that are suitable for the audience and context. Let's discuss an example of correct communication. Susan, the marketing director at Def Marketing, sent out a campaign summary that included all relevant dates, statistics, and outcomes accurately. She double-checked the data to ensure correctness before sharing it with her team. Benefits of using correct communication are: builds credibility. Accurate and error-free communication enhances the communicator's credibility. Prevents confusion. Correct information helps prevent misunderstandings and misinformation. Complete communication provides all the necessary information for the recipient to fully understand and act upon the message. Key elements of complete communication are: full information. Include all relevant details and context. Answer questions. Address potential questions the recipient might have. Call to action. Clearly state what action is required or expected. An example of complete communication can be: Tom, the HR manager at GE Enterprises, sent a detailed email about the upcoming training session. The training will be held on Friday, April 10th, from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. in room 305. Please complete the pre-training survey by Wednesday, April 8th. Contact me if you have any questions. This comprises of using techniques such as using the 5 W's: who, what, when, where, why to ensure completeness. Benefits realized with this technique can be: reduces follow-up questions. Complete messages decrease the need for additional clarification. Facilitates action. Clear instructions make it easier for recipients to respond appropriately. Courteous communication involves being polite, respectful, and considerate in interactions. Key elements of courteous communication are: politeness. Use polite language and manners. Respect. Show respect for the recipient's time and perspective. Positive tone. Maintain a positive and friendly tone. Let's discuss its example. Emily, a customer service representative at JKL Services, responded to a customer complaint with "Thank you for bringing this to our attention. We apologize for the inconvenience and will address the issue immediately. Please let us know if there is anything else we can assist you with." Technique is using phrases like "please," "thank you," and "I appreciate." Benefits realized with this technique can be: builds goodwill. Courteous communication fosters positive relationships and goodwill. Enhances collaboration. Respectful interactions promote a collaborative and supportive environment. The 5 C's of communication: clear, concise, correct, complete, and courteous are essential principles for effective communication. By adhering to these principles, communicators can ensure their messages are understood, respected, and acted upon as intended. Whether in personal conversations, professional settings, or public communications, applying the 5 C's can significantly enhance the quality and impact of interactions. Understanding and practicing these dimensions not only improve individual communication skills, but also contribute to more productive and harmonious relationships in all areas of life.